Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will be doing question number 11, exercise 10b. This is the figure given in the question. I will be reading out the statement for you. A campsite in the shape of a rectangle FGHI. FGHI, this is a rectangle, this is a campsite. It has sides 3x plus 6, this is given 3x plus 6, and x plus 1, this is given, and the length of the diagonal FH. FH is diagonal. The opposite quarters when we join, this is diagonal. It is given for x plus 1 meters. So now we need to find the area of the campsite. Area of means we need to find out the area of rectangle, which means we need to find the area of rectangle. First we need to build the theme, how it goes to find the area of a rectangle. There are basically two steps involved to find out the solution of this question. You know that this is a rectangle, so its area is length into breadth. This multiplied by this, it will be the area. So how we say that there are two steps involved? The thing is that when we multiply this with this to find out the area of rectangle, when these both get multiplied, we will be getting an equation or something, an expression in the form of x. Our expression will be in the form of x when these two get multiplied, this side multiplied by this side. So we also need to know the value of x. So the another step involved is, which is the second step, that we will be using this right angled triangle to apply Pythagoras theorem, because you know for rectangle all the angles are of 90 degrees. So if this is 90 degree, this is right angle triangle. So here we already have all three sides with us. How? Because opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. So this side is equal to this side. So this is also x plus 1 meter. So what we will be doing is that we will be applying Pythagoras theorem to this red boundary right angled triangle. After applying this Pythagoras theorem, we will be getting some value of x. So once we get the value of x from this triangle, we will be applying that value of x to the formula of area of rectangle. So this is basically the theme. So it involves two steps to find out the area of campsite, which is equal to area of rectangle. So now we will be doing the calculations and we will be applying our knowledge to solve both the steps so that we can find the area of rectangle. So we know that side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. So once we apply Pythagoras theorem, it is fh square, it means 4x plus 1 square is equal to this side square 3x plus 6 plus this x plus 1 square. Now we will be opening these squares. We know that the formula is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this formula we'll be using here to open the brackets. So let's do it. It is 4x square plus 1 square plus 2 into 4x into 1 is equal to, we'll be opening this square, 3x square plus 6 square plus 2 into 3x into 6. Then we'll be opening this square, x plus 1 whole square. It is like this, x square plus 1 square plus 2 into x into 1. So we know that 4x square is 16x square plus 1 plus 2 into 4, 8x is equal to 9x square plus 36 plus 2 to 3, 6 into 6, 36x plus x square plus 1 plus 2x. Now we will move this whole side to this side. So once it is moved to this side, all the figures, they have this expression is positive, plus 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 plus. So everything will be subtracted when it is moved to other side of the equation. So it becomes 16x square minus 16x square plus 1 plus 8x minus 9x square minus 36 minus 36x minus x square minus 1 minus 2x is equal to 0. Now we will bring together the values of same powers, having same powers. 16x square minus 9x square minus x square plus 8x minus 36x minus 2x. It will be cancelled with this plus and minus. Minus 36 is equal to 0. Now 9 and 1 10, 60 minus 10 is 6, 6x square. This is minus 36 and minus 2, minus 38 plus 8 minus 30, and then minus 36 is equal to 0. Now we will take 6 common out of this equation. It becomes minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. So 6, when it goes to other side, it will be divided, so it becomes 0. So x square minus 5x minus x square minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we will be solving this quadratic equation. We need to find out the value of x. So we will be using the factors of 6. It will be like this, minus, for this 5 which is coefficient of x, we will put a bracket, x will be same, minus 6 will be same. So how we will do is, we will make factors of 6, and when we add or subtract those factors, the result should be 5. So we will do 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 6 and 1 are the factors of 6. So when we subtract 1 from 6, it becomes 5. So it is like this, 6 minus 1. So now we will open the bracket, x square minus 6x plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we will take common, x into x minus 6, from here only 1, x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x minus 6 is equal to 0 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or we can do like this. I will add one more step. This is common, x minus 6 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it means x minus 6 is equal to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6 and x is equal to minus 1. But we don't need the negative value because area cannot be negative. It will be positive always. So we will be using x is equal to 6 in our second step. This whole exercise or the calculation, it was first step. Now the second step is step 2. That area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So this side multiply by this side, 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 will multiply these two, 3x plus 6 and x plus 1. Now we will multiply 3x square plus 3x plus 6x plus 6. It becomes 3x square plus 9x plus 6. No need to further solve this quadratic equation because we already have the value of x with us. So we will be putting this value here in this equation. The value of x will go to this equation, x is equal to 6. So it will be, we will be replacing x with 6. It becomes 108 plus 54 plus 6. So when we add up, this becomes 60 and 108, 168. We'll put meter square. Why? Because the unit of area is always in square. So it is 168 meter square. So this is the basically area of campsite, which is equal to area of rectangle, and this was required, and this is our answer.